everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message from Google Sheets. Let's suppose I own a business and my business has completed 1 year. To celebrate this, I want to send offer messages to my customers, but I have a lot of customers and sending messages manually to them will be a very tedious task. I can automate this entire process of sending messages to my customers all at once with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. I just need to build connection between Google Sheets and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here in my trigger application, I will take Google Sheets where the details of the customers are maintained, and in my action application, I will take WhatsApp Cloud API where I will create message templates and send to all my customers. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send offer messages to customers in WhatsApp from Google Sheets in which the details of the customers are maintained. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken us to this dashboard where you will be able to find all your workflows over here and all the folders that you have created over here. These are the folders that I have created, and if you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on here and you can create your own folder. Now we need to create a new workflow, for which we have to click on create workflow, and it's asking for the workflow name. So let's name this as send offer messages from Google Sheets to WhatsApp. And we need to select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and I'm going to select WhatsApp automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So basically trigger is an event which starts the automation workflow. There can be only one trigger application in the workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. In this workflow, I want to send messages from Google Sheets to WhatsApp. So my customer details are maintained in Google Sheets. So my trigger application will be Google Sheets. And trigger event will be new or updated spreadsheet row. Now we need to make a connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, so a webhook URL is given to us. And this URL will act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So now I am going to open my Google Sheets. This is my Google Sheets by the name Customer Details. Here I have saved name, phone number and email address of my customers. And now I need to make a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect so that all these details will be sent to Pabbly Connect. For that, I need to click on extensions, click on add-ons, click on get add-ons. So Google Workspace Marketplace has appeared in front of us, and here we need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. Here I have already installed Pabbly Connect webhooks, that's why it's showing installed. But if you are doing this for the first time, you have to follow the same process and make sure that you refresh the Google Sheets after installing. Now I'll go back to extensions and click on Pabbly Connect webhooks. Click on initial setup. And this dialog box has appeared in front of us, which is asking for webhook URL and trigger column. So this is the same URL which we were provided in the trigger step. So let's go back to Pabbly. This is the webhook URL. So we need to copy this URL. And let's paste it over here. Now it's asking for trigger column. So it's written over here, the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to webhook URL. Here my final row data is column C. So I'll write column C here and click on submit. Setup configured successfully. Now I need to check whether Pabbly Connect is connected to my Google Sheets or not. For that I have to click on Send Test. Test data sent successfully. Let's go back to Pabbly and check whether the data is being sent or not. So Pabbly has successfully captured this response with spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, phone number, name, email. Name is demo, email is demo@pabblytudes.com. Let's go back to our Google Sheets and recheck. This is the name, this is the email. So yes, my Google Sheet is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Next comes the action step. So in this workflow, we need to send messages from Google Sheets to WhatsApp. Here my action application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. And my action event will be send template message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. And now it's asking for these details. Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID. To get these details, we have to go to our WhatsApp Cloud API, which is made under Meta for developers. So this is the app dashboard of WhatsApp Cloud API, and WhatsApp Cloud API is official API of WhatsApp, which Facebook has launched. You can reach here just by typing developers.facebook.com, and you need to create an application and generate API token for that. If you don't know how to generate API or create application, you can find the video in the I button. So under app dashboard, you have to click on WhatsApp and click on API setup. So here I am provided with temporary access token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID. This is the temporary access token which will expire after 24 hours. But don't worry, you can create permanent access token too, video of which I have mentioned in the I button. So this is the temporary access token which will expire after 24 hours. But don't worry, you can generate permanent access token too, which will never expire. If you don't know how to generate permanent access token, I will mention the tutorial video in the I button. And by following those steps, you can generate permanent access token, which will help you keep connection as long as you want. So let's copy temporary access token and paste it over here. Phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and click on save. My WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect are successfully connected. Now it's asking to enter these details. To get these details, I again have to go to Meta for developers. And as you scroll down, over here you can see to create your own message template, click here. So to send automated messages from WhatsApp Cloud API, we need to create message templates first. Here is the message template section, and this is the message template that I have created. If you want to create a new template, you just need to click here and you can create your own message template, after which you have to send that message template for the review. So this is the message template that I have created. Let's open it. So it's written over here, hello dummy. So there is a custom variable which will keep changing. I have mentioned this variable for the name of the customer. But you can add as many as variables for like phone number, address, email address, or whatever you like. So my message template goes like, hello dummy, we are excited to celebrate our first anniversary. As a token of our appreciation, we are offering you a special anniversary discount. Apply offer 40 for 40% discount. Thank you for being a valued customer. This offer is valid till 10th July. Feel free to reach out if you have any question or need assistance. Best regards, Shubh, and the name of my organization. Also, this is the name of my message template. Let's go back to Pabbly, and here we need to select template name. So my template name was offer 1. And it has provided us with the language code and template ID. Now we need to enter recipient mobile number, for which I am going to use mapping, which means I am going to insert data from my previous step. So as I receive response from Google Sheets, here I'll select my mobile number. But first, let's go back to our trigger step and check what was the response that we have received. This was the phone number 12311145667. Let's come back to our action step. Let's click on Google Sheets, and from here I am going to enter phone number. And in the body field, I want to enter name. You can add as many fields as you want. So as this is a dummy number and I want to show you the WhatsApp message that I will receive, for now I am going to add my own number. And click on Save and Send Test Request. So we have received the response. Our message status is accepted. Let's go to WhatsApp and check whether we have received the message or not. So yes, we have received the message. This is the same message template that we have created. Now let's go to our Google Sheets. And now I want to send message to all my customers. For that, I have to click on extension, go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on Send All Data. These are the dummy phone numbers and that's why I've added my own number in the action field. So I will be receiving messages for all these names in my WhatsApp number. Let's go back to WhatsApp and check whether we have received the messages or not. Here we can see we have received messages for all the customers. So by following these steps, you can effectively use Pabbly Connect to automate the process of sending offers to your customers in WhatsApp, leveraging the power of Google Sheets for data management and Pabbly Connect for seamless integration and automation. So we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets and WhatsApp. We have successfully sent messages to all our customers from Google Sheets to WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.